driftwood? Mamma mia!
So, na-charge na yung tablet ko. At babalik na naman tayo dito sa online gallery para information tayo. Naku tayo dito sa information. Tutorials, no. Tingnan natin. Saan ba yun? Ito. Ano to? Ayoko yan. Ayoko. Subscribe. Ayun, ito. So, punta tayo dito. Parang dito tayo. So, i-next na natin ito. I gave them the 2 tapes second explanation. Very complete. Did you know that this is all that Dan has done? He's never done anything else. Okay. Welcome to part 2. In this episode, we will be talking about Twisteds. Each Twisted has certain role to play. Let's start with how Twisted will have when fully twisted. Twisted eyes will look like this. Ito yung sobrang pula. Pero kapag kaganto lang, hindi naman masyado yan. Magiging twisted lang. Twisted may have icons splattered on them. For example, this. Twisted's goal is to harm if they don't seem like it because they are fighting back. They will look either as normal as your average Twisted or mutinate as sort of Mandela. Oh, let's go to Twisted abilities. Twisted glisten. He has meter above him. Come when it's not full. It turns full, starts attacking you. Have to stay next to him in order to calm him. Twisted Sprout, he will shoot up rock roots or tentacles depending on what you do, and they'll remove a hard Twisted pebble fast. Twisted Goop will pull you towards him. Twisted Scarps, she will use her mouth thing to bite you and remove a hair. She will chase you before doing it again if you don't get out of her line of sight. Same situation of Cobb. So ito daw eto hindi ko kilala yan. Tsaka si Cobb ay mag brothers and sisters. What is this? What the heck is this? So, sige na, baba na tayo. Saan tayo? Twisted doodles pass, but insanely short attention span. Twisted B, she will slow you down. Bad day when she spots you. Tani, he insta-kill if he attacks you. Ayan na. Parang nag-umuwi. This is Danny's fault. Sorry, but that was not what I mean for Scrap says to say. She has always been quite short-minded, so I don't blame her, nor you for hearing that. Unfortunately, this has to be delayed until Scraps can behave. We will be instead working on a show released for years. So I apologize, darling. Viewers for this it had to be cut off soon. We will making up for it as soon as we can. What the heck is that? Next na tayo kasi meron na ito at hindi ko alam kung meron na ba talaga ito. Sige, dito tayo. Yon, tignan natin. Ito naman tayo. Hello. This is serious. I'm just going to get straight to the point. Despite dramatic opening. Oh, it's not being delayed, frozen or cancelled. We just have this serious war. Canon Dandy's world. Characters and hopes, which is why we are letting people submit their hopes slightly instead. Okay, now let me show you to the temple to submit. Paano ko ikakasya to? You're okay. Gender pronouns, so magiging female or kung gusto mong lalaki, male mo ilagay at she or her at he or him. Okay? Sexuality, gay or hindi ko alam. Female. Sige, sorry na. Sige, anoin ko lang to. Screenshot ko lang. Extra info. Paano kasi kakasyahin to? Any extra info here. Screenshotin natin yun. Twisted form. Oh my goodness, ang haba. Kakasya ba yan? Sige, twisted natin. Ayan. Yes. So, pagtara tayo dito. You must use this template unfortunately. Paano ko to yan? Yan yung tinatanong ko, paano ko yun paano ko to i-edit? Paano ko to i-edit? Hello? Sure, but it's all over the world. Hindi ko sana prines yun, oh my goodness. Tumigil ka. Oh, cute. Yun lang. You're okay. Girl, they way. Pero love you akala way. Pero love you akala dating my not Mimi. Little Scary Guy. Saan yung Twisted Form? Oh, Twisted Form. Oh my goodness. Okay. Wait, paano ako alis dito? Alis na muna tayo dito. Tapos, punta tayo dito. Pinipress ko na, ba't ayaw mo? Patingin ako. I made a character. So, alis na muna tayo dito. Punta tayo kaya bani-bani na natin. Ayan, nandito na tayo. Tapos, punta tayo dito. Subscribe. Read natin yan. Read. Ito. Feeling ko ata to, mga iba dito, mga OC na lang. Oo nga, mga OC na nga lang yung iba. So, punta tayo sa pinakababa. Ay, baka gusto mo na tayo magtapos. Sasabihin nyo lang. Ay, sorry. Asan yung nila? Gusto ko makita yung nila eh. Yung nila, twisted mode nila eh. 7 tapes. Sige, dito na tayo. Yay! Yun sinasabi ko. Diba siya dyan? So, tingin na tayo sa mga tips. Tingnan natin kung may bababasa pa rin, baba tayo dito. Wait. I'm scared that this world is a pretty big company. If I screw up first day, all the tunes, who knows what will happen? Mamamatay ka. No, they don't do anything bad to me or the others, right? I guess we'll just have to see. We are gonna crash. Wait, what? Oh. So they thought it's a parachute, by the way. He has the ability to stretch his limbs and head. Sino to? Si Black Cat? Hindi pala si Black Cat. Ay pa, si Black Cat na. Hey! On! Patot ako. Oh my God, I'm jealous. Ay, Mikael, hindi nga ako nagpakaano eh. Matiaklolo. Ano ba kasi kung ay, papanoorin po ba ako dito? Sige. Ala. Oh. Hindi ako natapos. Read next story. Oh. Ayoko ng story na yan. Publish din. So nyo esto. Put the phone down. Tingnan natin to. Sige, may titingnan lang ako. Ay, nako. Okay. Kung mo in-install. Pasok ka. Dito ka sa may gallery ko. Huwag mong pansin ito, tsaka ito, tsaka ito. Huwag mong pansin na lang. Ayun nga, makakadrawing nga ako dito, pero hindi maayos. Wow, ang ganda naman ang drawing mo! Try tayo maggawa ng apple. Ako, hindi na yung apple. Ayan. Tapos yung leaf niya dyan. Siyempre yung coloring natin, pangit yung drawing ko. Pagkakanto. Lang i-bucket natin. Bakit ka nandito, Brad? Ay, sorry. Brush. So, that's a mistake. Don't try that. So, gagawin lang natin. Lagyan natin to ng shading. Kanyang kasi mag-shading. Hindi ko marunong mag-shading mouse ko. Yan. Yan. Mas gumagaling ka panalo. Gawa tayo. Gawa kaya tayo ng abstract to. Magaling to magawa ng abstract. Itong ano natin. Mouse natin. Ayun o. Ayun yung abstract natin. Yay. Magaling. No. Yay. Ayun, gawin natin yan. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon ay isang blood. So, alam niyo naman kung anong mga gagawin ko dito. Go back to gallery. So, tingin ulit tayo doon sa ano natin. Pero pagkatapos ko na dito. Oh, lala. Nakakaroon pa ng anak bukas. Wow. So, my page. Tingnan tayo. Anong gagawin ko dito sa my page ko? Oy, 7 years old pa lang ako. Wala akong papel. Top. Dan. What the heck is that? Dan this world. Ganyan ba spelling? Kaya wala na akong pake. Ano yung ano ko? Ayun, dan this world. Yun lang. Hello? Wala. Animation. Paano mag-animation dito? Yun ang tinatanong ko. Paano mag-animation? Artist. Drawing. Tayo wala na tayo makita dito. Tingin lang tayo dito. Catch alive. So, hanap na muna tayo dito na maganda. So, sunod ko na yung babasahin, okay? Piling ko may koto sa mga likod ko na kung makapo. Smiling. Wait lang, enter keywords natin. Smiling critters. Sabi ko critters, hindi quickers. Gusto ko tuloy ng cockroach. Critters. Smiling critters. Ayun nga. Teka lang, tingin tayo sa comic dito. Wala. Tapos na tayo. Tingnan natin to. Baka ano yan pangit yan Introduction. Smiling critters. Happy house. Anong ginawa mo kay Happy Hopscotch? Happy Hopscotch. Intelligent average, sanity average, hunger 0, thirst 0, injury 0. Average. So, okay na magpasa kayo. Kasi palagi na lang ako nagpapasa yung mga tamad kayo. Kaya sorry na. Brody. What the heck? Oh, wow. Yan na, nagkagamit kasi ako ng universe. Alam mo na siguro tara pa sa video kung gusto yung part 2, like at subscribe. Kita like button at don't forget to smash that. Don't forget to hindi ko alam. Sige. Pindutin nyo na yung application din. Para ma-notify palagi sa videos ko. Yay!
Macaroni! Cheese! Mayonnaise! Don't waste food! I was gonna eat it all!
Si mga bilang kakain yan. Magkakaroon ka ng cancer, mami. Yay! Ubus na ni mama. Mama mo. Ubus na ng mama mo. What the heck is this? Si Santa Claus. Si Dog Day. Si Shinsonic. Si Catnap. Si Dog Day ulit. Tsaka sino ba to? Si Crafticorn. Atang Sprunky. Uy, huwag mong patayin! Papatayin kita, Santa. Sino yun? Charles. Chuchu Charles. Ay. Si Ilog Day. Ito. Yeah. Tara mo na siguro nagtanong sa video. Sino yan? Si ano? Alam ko na kung sino. Si Garfield. Tara. Nag-i-intro kasi ako eh.
Miss Rabbit has
Nag-ano kasi ako
fainted.
eh. Tara.
Miss Rabbit has fainted again.
Tara mo na siguro tatanong sa video. Kung gusto nyo yung part 2, like and subscribe. Meow, 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 meow.